Imagine fixing your back pain in just 15 minutes a day. No pills, no therapy. But what if it's just another internet scam? This is the ReliveX Massager, a viral device claiming to relieve pain, improve mobility, and even replace medication. Sounds crazy, right? So I dug into the truth. It's basically a portable EMS-style massager. You stick pads on your body, and it sends electrical pulses to stimulate muscles and reduce pain. Now here's where it gets interesting. On Trustpilot, it has around a 4.3-star rating from 150-plus reviews. Many users say it actually helps with back pain and stiffness even after just a few sessions. But not everything is perfect. Some customers complain about long shipping times, faulty units, or weak pads, and a few even call it a scam or say they were overcharged. And here's the truth. Devices like this are usually just rebranded EMS massagers, not some miracle tech. So, is ReliveX a scam? Not exactly, but it's also not a magic cure. It's a basic massager with mixed reviews. If you're expecting life-changing results, you're probably going to be disappointed. But if you just want temporary relief, it might be worth trying. Follow for more honest reviews before you waste your money.